In this video I'm going to show you how to make some CVC word bingo cards. CVC words are words that consist of a consonant, vowel, consonant, hence CVC words, and are used in phonics for teaching reading. They're usually very simple words that children can learn to sound out. So for example, cat, C-A-T, cat, dog, D-O-G, D-O-G, D-O-G. So here we have the software, which is called Bingo Card Printer. You can download a free trial version from bingocardprinter.com. This is the initial screen of the software. I'm going to click Create New Bingo Card Project to get started. Now I have a choice of what kind of bingo card I'd like to create. Choose a blank bingo card, enter my own words, choose one with an alphabet, one with numbers, and choose one with words or items already on them, such as events like bridal showers, baby showers, birthdays, holidays for Christmas, Halloween, Easter, and so forth. School subjects, geography, history, math, music, and so forth. And in this case, I want to choose reading, which has a list of items related to sight words, which are words that children need to recognise by sight. In order to read them, they're usually words that can't be sounded out, mostly common words, and phonics, which are words that can be sounded out according to various rules, including CVC words. So what I do is I select the item that I want. I either double click on it or click on it once and then click OK, and I've created my initial CVC word bingo card here. Here's a list of words that can appear on the bingo card. They come from the template. Here's a sample bingo card with those words. There's options for customizing the bingo card and options for customizing how they're printed out. I can also customize the word list. So for example, if I don't want the word dot to be one of my list of words, I simply highlight it and click delete. I can also type in a new word. So for example, if I want to add the word mat, M-A-T, I simply type it in and press OK, and it's added it in. The initial list in the template here was in alphabetical order. Any new items I add appear at the bottom of the list, but I can simply resort that list into alphabetical order if I want, with my new item is now in the correct place. There are in fact a lot of options for customizing the word list, customizing the order of the word list, deleting items, adding multiple items, and so forth. But let's say I'm now happy with the word list. I now want to look at the bingo card. Here's my sample bingo card. The words on the sample are shown as the same order as in this list here, but the real bingo cards will have the words arranged randomly selected, so that every bingo card is different. So the first thing I can do is choose the size of the bingo card. The default in this case is a 5x5 bingo card, but I can make a smaller one, such as 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, which of course what I started with, 6x6 or 7x7. You notice on these two larger ones, I haven't actually got quite enough items here to fill out the entire bingo card, hence the blank space that I'd need to add more words. So we'll go back to 5x5. I can also choose whether or not to put this heading on the bingo card or not. Simply turn it on or off. I can change what the heading says. So for example, I can make it say words if I wanted to. Choose whether or not to have the free space square on the bingo card. I can turn it on or off. I can change the text of it as well. There are also options for customizing the colors and fonts. So let's perhaps make the colors. We'll make it pink bingo card with a blue, light bluish, blue-green free space square and a dark blue heading with yellow text on the heading, and we'll make the lines green. So quite a colourful bingo card that will be. I could also customize the fonts here, change the heading of the fonts for the heading font, the individual squares, and the free space square separately if I wanted to, but we'll say we're happy with that. Now ready to print, so we'll look at the options related to printing. These are on the right hand side here. First option is whether or not to print a call list. That's basically tells the software to print an extra sheet with this list of words in random order. If you're using the bingo cards in a classroom situation, it's very helpful to have a printed reference to refer to if you're the teacher taking the role of bingo caller. If you don't want a call list, you simply turn it off. I'll leave it on in my demonstration so you can see what it looks like. Second option is how many bingo cards to print per page. I can put more than one bingo card on a page. If I'm printing a lot of bingo cards, I could save paper that way. I simply have to cut the paper up if I want to give one bingo card to each player. The advantage, of course, is saving paper. The disadvantage is the extra work of cutting the paper up, and also the fact that if I've got multiple bingo cards on a page, each individual bingo card will be smaller. So I'll leave it on one in my demonstration. And finally, how many bingo cards do I want to print? Every bingo card will be a different combination of the words, so it's a very easy way to produce lots of bingo cards. I can put in any number between 1 and 9,999. So in my demonstration I'm going to put in 50. Now ready to print, or in this case I'm going to do print preview, so you can see on screen what the printout would look like. Here's the call list. That's the list of words in random order. If I zoom out now so you can see the whole page, and I'll do next page, you can see the first bingo card there. There are the words arranged randomly on the bingo card, and if I do next page, the second bingo card is different and the third one is different, and all 50 are in fact different. So it's very easy to produce lots of customized bingo cards with quite minimal amount of effort. I'll close the print preview, and you've seen the call list, which is one way for choosing the items in the gameplay. There is another option built into the software which some people find useful, which is the software can help you choose items during gameplay without having a pre-selected list of items to choose, and that's this option call game. If I do that, what happens is the software chooses one item for the bingo caller here, displays that item on the left hand side as well. On the left hand side it will show the current item and any previous item. So when I click next, I get a new current item which now becomes a top item, and the previous item is underneath it, and so on. So I can keep getting more and more new items as I work through the word list. Eventually a scroll bar will appear, but I'm always free to go back and refer to what the items are that were chosen separately if I need to go back and check, or check the winner's bingo card or something like that. So that's basically it. The software is called Bingo Card Printer. You can download a free trial version from bingocardprinter.com. It's compatible with all recent versions of Windows. The free trial version is of course free, and if you like it you can register and upgrade to the full version, which allows you to do everything you've seen in this video and a lot more besides. Both the free trial version and the registered version includes hundreds of templates for ready to use bingo activities to get you started, or you can of course create your own customized bingo activities very easily with the software. So the software is called Bingo Card Printer, and the website is called bingocardprinter.com. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go and download the software and try it out.